Hi, this is Vladimir. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play an acoustic guitar. This video is for beginner. If you want to start playing an acoustic guitar, you better watch. What are we waiting for? Let's get it on! Boom, surprise! Boom, surprise, spectacle. First thing is the strumming. If you don't have idea how to strum, I think you better start with the downstroke. Sounds good. Upstroke. Upstroke. I know you're just like, what? That's it? No, it's it. Then, next step is put some letter G. You can search the chords into the. You can search the chords in Google. Basta Google. Search mo. Type mo lang www.google.com. Chords letter G. There you go. Whoa. Okay, start with the downstroke. Whoa. Next is try the upstroke. Just keep practicing until you get better. Son of a bitch. Until you got your own rhythm. Okay, there you go. I hope you learned something. Remember, just keep practicing until you get better. You son of a bitch. Okay, so there you go. I don't want to take a very long video. I hope you enjoy and you learned something. If you need another video, just comment down below. If you need more strumming or chords, don't be shy. I'm gonna hurt you. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Please just click on the goddamn subscription down below, notification bell, and like this fucking video. You're goddamn amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye. Adios.